Custom belt boxes are an excellent way to enhance your product. These packaging designs not only look attractive and eye-catching but also ensure product protection during shipping and handling. They can also help promote your brand and increase sales due to their attractive design and appearance. Meet your demands with customized belt boxes. It is important to customize belt boxes wholesale, especially for clothing brands who wish to pack their luxury belts in unique boxes. Thus, they can benefit from the advantages of custom packaging boxes and maximize the value of their products. We can customize and design your product to your satisfaction. Customization is possible in a variety of ways. You can customize the size, shape, printing, and enticing features of the boxes. If you are interested in custom belt boxes, please contact us. We offer full customization, depending on your needs. Luxury belt box packaging. Packaging makes first impressions. Brands showcase their belts in beautifully designed, printed boxes. Customers receive the belts in a beautifully designed box. You have the option of choosing window cutouts. An attractive belt box packaging will attract your customers' attention more than an unattractive belt box packaging. Using exquisitely designed boxes will enhance the appeal of your belts. Make your brand easily recognizable by putting your logo on the box. By offering compelling packaging presentations, you can encourage customers to consider your branded belts before making a final purchase decision. Present your belt in a way that attracts passers-by's attention. Mesmerize your customers by packaging both formal and casual belts in custom boxes. High-quality materials for custom belt boxes. Belt box packaging requires the right packaging material. Luxury belts require a sturdy box to protect them from damage. Using weak packaging materials will not adequately protect your product. Consider choosing a durable material that meets your packaging needs. Our packaging materials are of high quality, providing strength to the box. We protect belts from damage during transit. We select our belt packaging materials to support both the digital printing technique and a variety of add-on elements. We commonly use the following materials: cardboard, rigid boxes, corrugated cardboard. Environmentally friendly belt packaging. Brands place a high priority on eco-friendly packaging. We choose recyclable materials to protect the environment. We make our belt boxes from biodegradable materials to contribute to environmental protection. We prefer to use durable, sustainable, and environmentally friendly materials. Aspects of printing that are fascinating. Every belt brand strives to design and print an ideal package for their belts. Having selected a material, they proceed to the printing stage. If you are unsure which printing option to select, it is not a problem. We offer the highest quality CMYK and PMS color schemes. Using advanced printing technologies, we ensure that our printing methods produce the intended image.